Namaskar. Senco Gold and Diamonds presents Shona Kotha Kotha Shona. We have been hearing conversations, having addas, and today it's a different feeling because I get the opportunity to sit in Eastern India and connect with a very dear person who is right now joining me from Bangalore. Pratibha Karthikeyan, thank you so much, ma'am, for joining in today.
नमस्ते नमस्ते
मैम आप अभी हो बैंगलोर में राइट
हाँ मैम
एंड इफ यू कैन जस्ट लेट अस नो अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट योरसेल्फ आप कहाँ से हो व्हाट डू यू डू अ लिटिल प्लीज
नमस्ते आई एम प्रतिभा कार्तिकेयन आई स्टे इन बैंगलोर मैं बैंगलोर से मैं रह रही हूँ लेकिन मेरा जन्म चेन्नई में हुआ है सो मैं बेसिकली एक तमिलियन हूँ आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद 2 चिल्ड्रन my husband is Karthikeyan. He is working for Perkin Elmer, an international company, MNC company. So I am basically a lecturer and taking marketing. So in a college, in this 2 years, I've left my job due to some issues, health issues. So now I'm at home. So this is about me.
I know that you speak many languages. तो ये जो आप बहुत सारी भाषा बोलते हो ये आप कहाँ से सीखी? How did you learn so many languages?
मेरे पापा born and brought up in Kharagpur है, so I'm more related to Kolkata than Bangalore or Chennai. So मेरे पापा बैंक में काम करते थे. We had an opportunity to stay in many places. Mainly I stayed 12 years. Till my 12 years I was in Kharagpur, Kolkata. From there we transferred in Nellore, then Chandigarh, then Kerala, Calicut we were there. So finally settled in Chennai. So I had opportunities to learn all the languages, not in full launch, but 4 languages I can speak very fluently. Other 4 a little bit I can understand and manage with.
So what are the languages, the 4 languages that you know really well?
Really well is of course Tamil is my mother tongue. Telugu I speak very fluently. Malayalam I do speak, and Konkani a little bit. I have forgotten that language, but okay, but I can manage to talk like that. Then Punjabi I know. Other 4 Oriya, English is basically, and French I was I was learning French, a bit of French. Punjabi I know a bit. Then Konkani, Punjabi, Konkani, little bit related languages, and Kannada I know very fluently. Being in Bangalore in 18 years, I learned Kannada.
You are such a knowledgeable person, and it's my opportunity and honor that आज Senco Gold and Diamonds के वजह से I'm able to connect with you. And before I continue, let me appreciate the beautiful jewelry you're wearing, your earpiece, your neck piece. It's
Thank
beautiful.
you so much, Rupsha ma'am. I am being more honored that you had called me today. Thank you so much. I show my gratitude to Senco Gold that they have given me such opportunity to come into the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. You're such a dear customer. And let me just remove myself from the screen so that I can show the beautiful jewelry you're wearing. It is so pretty. The lovely neck piece and the earpiece. Can you just show it a little to us, please?
अच्छा, जरूर दिखाऊंगी. ये एक earpiece है जो it's like a fish.
Yes, ma'am. It is very, very pretty. Very pretty.
Yeah. It's like a fish, and it is made up of shell, and it's a very beautiful piece which I found in Senco Gold Koramangala, and I picked up immediately. It's very, very pretty. Wherever I go, my jewelries are totally different. So it's the whole credit goes to Senco Gold, I would say.
And what about the neck piece, ma'am? I think that's also a beautiful shell collection, the shell piece. तो ये जो आपने पहनी है, this is so beautiful. Do you have any particular occasion to gift yourself jewelry, or is jewelry just a part of your life? That given a chance.
So we are Tamilians, madam. Actually, Rupaksha ma'am, we are Tamilians, so we are basically attracted towards gold. I'll tell you. You will know Tamil Nadu is famous jewelers, and we do invest in jewels. as an investment. But of course, when it is coming to wearing, if it is totally different, you also feel something, different. If you go for an occasion, it is different. Do people see you in a different way? So yes.
So Pratibha ji, whenever you go to Senco Gold and Diamonds to buy your jewelry, what do you love most about us?
The way they welcome us, that is more I like. It is the point that you buy, you don't buy, that doesn't matter them. And all the salespeople there, I see they are very sportive and they come to ask us what you want and they show what we want. See, I don't know about myself, but I see many customers for buying one or two jewelry, they continuously they'll be seeing many things, but they are not tired. Our salesmen always they are there to help, and very nicely they show. Very nicely, ma'am, this will be very good for you. And there are few people there, when I go, they'll tell me, madam, we have kept this for you. You just see if you want it, you can take. And to my extent, whenever I see, I do like it. So might be they have known my taste, that what she will take, Few people are there, even everybody, I'll tell, all the sales people there, all the management people there, whomever I see, they are very beautifully, they organize, and even the functions what are organized there during the New Year, discounts and everything. I see very nicely it is organized, and small, even ladies, I think Women's Day special was there. Only on that day also I could see many, some discounts were given. So all those things do attract people to come to Senco. So that is, I think, one point which is more important, how they cherish the people who come there. The welcoming matters a lot. The welcoming matters a lot when you go inside a shop. That I see everybody there do welcome. Doesn't matter that they take or not, and definitely they help them in choosing the things. So I would tell that is the one thing which I like in Senco Jewelry.
As you have worn a shell collection today, I would want to ask a little about the pendant you're wearing. Is that a single piece conch shell?
Yes, madam. It is a single piece pendant which I had taken from Senco, and I had a wish of taking such type of jewelry long from childhood, and Senco is making my dreams true. The Kadigari is very beautiful. I don't know in this shell how they can make such a beautiful design. And one more point, Rupaksha ma'am, I would like to share. The point is, Senco is open to even a middle class, a upper middle class, and the higher class. Because you can find a jewelry in 2 grams as well as in 20 grams and as well as in 100 grams. Which I think, because when I visited with my husband, he was telling they have a jewelry in all the categories. It is not only for this. It is not like that. It's for everybody. It is there. So that the one point I do like.
तो ये ज्वेलरी थोड़ा मैं देख सकती हूँ, इतना दूर बैठी
हाँ,
तो
जरूर
ज़्यादा
ये ऐसे है.
Wow, this is beautiful.
I think this is around 10 grams, if I'm correct. It is around 10 grams. And I doubt any jewelers can make in 10 grams such a beauty.
Absolutely wonderful. The 2 children you have,
yeah,
what do they do? I would want to know a little about your family.
Elder one is in 9th standard. He is studying in Bishop Cotton Boys School. And the younger one is in 7th standard. Elder one is Pranav. And the younger one is Shakti Krishna.
What beautiful names.
Shakti. All are Indian, our Tamil God's name. They are blessed and they are very studious. So I'm gifted with those.
Wonderful. So as a mother, what are the lessons you tell your sons to remember? The teachings of a mother to the child. ये थोड़ा जानना चाहिए.
So as a mother, I would tell, being a mother, giving a good children to the nation is more important. The character of the child and the संस्कार जो हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं, वो संस्कार देना एक मदर का काम है. और अगर मैं परफेक्टली मेरा काम कर रही हूँ, अगर मैं अच्छे संस्कार मेरे बच्चों को दे सकूँ, that will be the best thing as a mother I can do to the nation. Education, of course, people tell. Rupaksha ma'am, of course, people tell education. Education is an important matter for the children, but more than that, I think the culture we should teach, because we are in India. So I need the culture matters a lot than education. The culture, if it is taught, education automatically aa jayega. Because today's scenario, what it is going, the global warming and the bullying and all those things are going on in the world. So I think as a mother, I should educate them about that, and that is more important for them in future. That education will help them go in their cultural education will help them going in this in the educational life. This is my way of thinking as a mother.
So what are your dreams about your children? क्या चाहते हो वो लोग बड़ा होके क्या बने?
बड़ा बेटा साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहता है, तो उसमें वो उसका प्रोसेस उसका चलता है। तो और छोटा जो है, अभी छोटा है, उतना नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन जब भी ज्वेलरी शॉप जाती हूँ तो उसको लेके जाती हूँ। तो मेरा इतना प्यारा है कि वो बोलेगा हाँ ये बहुत परफेक्ट है तुम्हारे लिए, ये छोटा छोटा मत लो मम्मी, ये अच्छा नहीं लगता है। सो ही इज एक्चुअली the Senko people like them actually. Whenever I go Baswa, Hajira, all these people are put up in Koramangala. So they will be telling, they are more than you, your children are inquisitive on what you're taking actually. So, and they admire when I take, they do tell that do take this will be suiting you, and they'll ask how much it is. So something, they also are involved into it. That I like. Things.
Wonderful.
And
wonderful.
And many things Senko also teaches. When we go there, I always tell them, see how they greet. So even you should, when somebody comes home, you should also greet. So these things are values which we can teach children when you're outside. When you're outside the home, also few values you can teach. And when we go somewhere, also a few things come to our mind. And when they see that, they get attracted and they learn very easy. This is my.
That's so wonderful to know. ये जो आप एक माँ के हिसाब से the beautiful message that you are telling your children, I think parents who are hearing and watching you will also learn so much, Pratibha ji. And और एक चीज पूछना है कि when you take your children to the store and they give an idea, okay, no mommy, don't take this, take this. Do you listen to them or you only choose what you want?
No, I do listen to them, ma'am, because they know my taste. So even my husband, I would like to tell, he will, when I tell him I want to take this, he will never ask me why you are putting money in this or that. He will tell, okay, if you like it. The main attitude should be, the understanding between a husband and wife also should be in such a way that he should understand a wife. If she likes it, let her go with it. He is not such a person who will stop me telling, why you want to put up money in shells? What is the value of it? Mainly I have taken all the jewelries are from Senko's, and mainly they are shell oriented. अभी अब पोला ले लीजिए जो मैं हाथ में डाली हूँ, ये भी shell oriented है.
Beautiful. You're looking beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So why I am trying to tell is even my husband is supporting me, ma'am. That is where I can do. If you're happy wearing it, then you take it. The main point is if you wear, the girl should be happy. It's no point that you wear it and because we Tamilians are into junk jewelry more. Thick and बहुत मोटा हम लोग ज़्यादा पहनते हैं. So the thing is, in Tamilians we are into mota jewelry actually, bada mota. So my husband supports me. Then if you like it, you do wear it. That is main thing. You should like when you're wearing few things. You should like it. It is not that because somebody is telling I should wear like that. So that
True.
is my way of thinking, and he supports me. So it's going on.
Relationship advice चाहिए. ये जो आपके और आपके husband के एक is such a golden pure bond. I can understand.
Today, many breakups are happening because we don't understand each other. Understanding means main is family relation में giving up बहुत रहना चाहिए. Either I have to sacrifice or he has to sacrifice few things. If we do sacrifice few things, the life goes in a very smooth channel. This is what I have learned in this 18 years. And of course, my mother is the main reason for it. She'll always tell, छोटा झगड़ा होता है, he'll tell whatever he is telling is correct. That's all. No support for me. So I also bring in my mind that okay, my husband is right, I am wrong. And finally he tells my mother, no auntie, मैं ही wrong था, प्रतिभा ठीक थी. So it's like a circle, Rupaksha ma'am. This is the circle what I am brought into. So being in this circle, it is very very happily I'm living only because he also is, and mainly God belief. Another thing, I have a spiritual bonding with God. I'm very spiritual, so that is also helping me, I think so. So this is one
Wonderful.
thing, and adjustments in life, ma'am. You need to adjust. All the situations will not be according to us. All the situations will not be supportive to us, but we need to adjust in life. कभी कभी उल्टा भी होगा, सीधा भी होगा. चल के जाना है कि चलो उल्टा है तो अभी उल्टा चलना है, सीधा है तो सीधा चलना है बस. So this is what I feel according to me.
एब्सोल्युटली, आपसे बात करके तो मेरा ही दिल खुश हो गया. एंड मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी प्रतिभा जी, आप प्लीज मुझे मैम बोलिए. आई एम जस्ट रूपा. मुझे लगता है कि आपसे ये जो अभी रिलेशनशिप शुरू हुआ है, इट इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे दैट थ्रू सेनको गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स द बॉन्ड हैज बिगन. But I would request you not to tell me any ma'am and all. And
okay, Rupaksha.
About your mother, you just mentioned about your mother. As a child, जब आप छोटी थी, मम्मी का ज्वेलरी जो होता है ना, we always eye on mother's
jewelry. She has
jewelry.
90% Bengali jewelry, ma'am. She has, because we were in Kharagpur, so she also has Pola. A beautiful incident I would like to tell now.
Please.
In my marriage, what happened was many people from Kharagpur came actually. So they came for my marriage and they gave me a Pola and Shaka. And my mother-in-law was seeing why they are making us wear white and red bangles like this, and she was just admiring me, and she came and asked, why you are wearing this one? We don't have such bangles, no. So I told, then the lady who was standing, one Kuku Didi, she told, I had brought, from childhood she has been brought up in a house, so we are giving her this gift and she should wear it. बिकॉज हम लोग शादी के बाद लड़कियों को ये वेयर करने के लिए बोलते हैं, तो ये आपको पहनना ही है. तो माय मदर इन लॉ वाज इनटू शॉक बिकॉज इट वाज अ पक्का ऑर्थोडॉक्स Tamilian marriage, and in that few people are coming and making me wear such things. So then my mother came and explained to them that it is their system to give such things to a shagun as shagun, so they are giving. She didn't tell anything, but it was a funny incident which happened in my marriage. You know, whenever I take these bangles and all, my husband will be will always remember about that incident, and he'll be telling, okay, because of that you're continuing. They had given me from then till now, I'm wearing it. So anywhere I go, they will be asking me, are you a Bengali lady? I told, no, I'm not a Bengali lady, but I'm a Tamilian. But I have वो संस्कार उन्होंने लेके आए, तो I'm just following it.
कितना सुंदर है कि आप साउथ इंडियन होके भी यू लव एंड एडमायर शाखा एंड पॉला. आई थिंक दैट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल ऑन योर wrist. It's looking really nice. अब मैं अभी भी देखी, आपने दिखाया, बहुत ही सुंदर है. Do you have any dream jewelry in your mind कि अभी नहीं है?
I had a dream jewelry. Let me tell you that also. I had a dream jewelry. That is, I wanted to make a Taj Mahal earring, which I saw in Dubai or somewhere, and I wanted to take it before that somebody had taken it. So I had that dream to take it. So last year, before the COVID started, I had requested one of the salespeople there that I need a jewelry like this. They told me that yes, ma'am, we'll try for it. Just give us some time. So they had taken a lot of time, but they did make it for me, and it's a very beautiful jewelry. I have it, and such a wonderful. Anybody sees it will get attracted. It's a pure picture of pure perfect model of a Taj Mahal which I am having, and it was a dream jewelry, and the dream come true through Senco Jewelers.
Wonderful. और अभी मुझे सिर्फ प्रतिभा जी आपका ड्रीम जानना है. As a woman, as a human, as a wonderful person, what are the dreams that you want to touch? जब सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, कोविड कोरोना के बाहर आ जाएंगे, world, what are the things that you want to do in your wish list?
See, actually, I am teaching for a few organizations, ma'am, as a help. I'm doing it, not for monetary benefit. I'm taking classes for few people. So I want to go and see them and take classes, but everything is online now, so we are doing it on online. They are very small children, big children who don't have eyes. They don't have eyesight. So I'm teaching such children. It's very difficult for them to understand things. So when you go and teach them from सामने से, it will be more easy for them, I feel. So this corona is the biggest drawback now, which is not allowing us to do it. So those things, little bit of feeling is there, and even the child and the education system has gone down. Being a teacher, I would tell the education system should grow. Since 1.5 years, there are no schools, and the children who are starting with LKG, UKG from last year, the before year 2019, they don't even know what is school का सीढ़ी ही वो लोग चढ़े नहीं है. So everything is going online, and I feel that is wrong. And that school atmosphere, everybody should enjoy it. As childhood, that is totally different. Once you grow, a lot of pressure is there. You have to study, you have to do your projects, everything is there. But during childhood, till third, fourth standard, the child is very happy in whatever they do. They'll be roaming here and down. Those things I feel everybody is missing. Every child is missing in the world. So that should be done. Now also, if schools are open, it is that you don't touch me, I won't touch you. It is like that. So those things are going. When I see that, I feel pity on that. And after this, I would love to help people. I have a helping tendency, and I do help many people. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, ma'am, all my tenants who are staying in my Bangalore houses are Bengalis and Orient people, means from Orissa and are Bengali people. So the main thing I got to know about Senko through them. Actually, I asked her once कि आप पोला पहने हैं मेरे लिए वहाँ से लाएंगे क्या? तो she told, मैडम आप वहाँ क्यों जाना चाहते हैं? आपको यहीं मिलेगा. And she just told me here is a store newly open. You can just go and see there. So that is my journey with Senko. It started like that 5 years before. In the Koramangala branch, I started. So it is a very beautiful journey since 5 years we are going around.
Senko Gold and Diamonds is honored to have you as a part of the family tree, because each customer, each patron belongs to the family of
yes,
the
definitely,
brand.
definitely.
But आपसे मिलके यहाँ पर बैठ के भी I can feel that spiritually you are such a rich person. Your core, your heart is the gold and the diamond. You are the jewel, Pratibha ji, and it is wonderful knowing you now. It is wonderful. I'm really, really happy meeting you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ruksha. Thank you so much for making me join. And I would love to thank even Senko Gold and Diamonds for giving me the opportunity to come into your show and express my feelings and my interest into the show. To know
wonderful, ma'am. And I also want to thank the Bengali tenants in the Bangalore home.
Yeah, they are definitely. I would like to mention the names also. Mr. and Mrs. Roy, Bonashri, and the other one is this Ranjan. These people are more close to me. Few people have left my house. They have joined the new houses, but still we have a very good relationship. So might be east and south is always into me, I think. So the Bengali people are into my life always. So,
absolutely. So from the wedding day Shakha Paula to the relationship that you share with the Bengalis, और जाते जाते ये जो आप खड़गपुर से भी हो, maybe a line in Bengali.
What to tell? You need to tell me.
Okay, I can say now and the kadlik kare.
Tell me. You tell me. I'll repeat it. I think so. That will be better. I shouldn't.
Is now and the kadlik kare right?
Now it's perfectly right.
So I learned it when I was a child because my cousin brother got married to a Tamilian.
Oh, okay.
And my brother-in-law, he lives in London. He is also a Tamram. So we are also very connected. And
see, that's why you're connected to me. Ruksha, finally you're connected to me because of that.
I am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pratibha ji. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Namaste.
Thank you.